Are you looking for the best dash cams in 2024? Look no further. In this video, we reveal the top 5 dash cams that you absolutely need to know about this year. Whether you're a commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or simply want to enhance your vehicle's safety, these dash cams offer cutting-edge technology, exceptional video quality, and user-friendly features. Join us as we break down the key specifications, advantages, and unique features of each dash cam, helping you make an informed decision. From advanced night vision to seamless integration with your smartphone, we cover it all. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products, I mentioned be sure to check the links in the description. So, without further delay, let's start the video. Number 5. The Garmin 57 Dash Cam. Packed with features, this compact device is designed to capture every detail on the road. Let's see what makes it stand out. The Garmin 57 Dash Cam is a top-tier choice for drivers seeking reliable and high-quality recording. With its 1440p HD video resolution, 140-degree lens, and Garmin Clarity HDR optics, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured with remarkable clarity, whether during the day or at night. The 2-inch LCD display allows users to review footage directly on the device, adding convenience. Automatic recording is a standout feature. Once connected to the vehicle's power source, the Garmin 57 continuously records, eliminating the need for manual intervention. In the event of an incident, the built-in GPS automatically tags video with location data, providing crucial evidence when needed. Additionally, the dash cam's voice control feature enables hands-free operation, allowing users to save videos, start or stop audio recording, and take still pictures through voice commands in multiple languages. The Garmin 57 also excels in features that enhance safety and convenience. The forward collision and lane departure warnings help prevent accidents by alerting drivers of potential hazards. The parking guard monitors activity around the vehicle while parked and sends notifications if an incident is detected. For those who frequently travel, the Travel Apps feature condenses long drives into brief highlight reels, perfect for sharing. With durable design and compatibility with the Garmin Drive app, which supports live view and video synchronization. Overall, Garmin 57 Dash Cam offers a robust solution for comprehensive vehicular surveillance and peace of mind. Number 4. The Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. If you're looking for a high-quality dash cam that combines advanced features with excellent performance, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what makes this dash cam stand out. The Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam offers impressive recording capabilities with its UHD 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. The dual recording function allows for simultaneous capture of detailed footage both in front and behind the vehicle. With the option to switch to a QHD 2.5K front view and full HD 1080p rear view, users can benefit from enhanced clarity and detail in their recordings. This flexibility makes it ideal for capturing essential details like license plates and road signs. Equipped with a Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor and his Silicon Hi3559 processor, the Kingslim D4 excels in low-light conditions. The combination of AF/1.8 aperture, WDR technology, and a super-wide viewing angle ensures sharp, clear images even at night. The 3-inch IPS touchscreen simplifies operation, allowing users to easily access features such as parking monitor, collision detection, and emergency video lock. The touchscreen's high-contrast display further enhances usability. The dash cam's built-in Wi-Fi and GPS provide real-time tracking and allow users to manage their recordings via a smartphone app. With support for up to 256GB TF cards, users can store extensive footage without worry. The device also offers 24-hour recording, ensuring crucial footage is captured even when the vehicle is off. Overall, the Kingslim D4 delivers comprehensive, high-quality coverage, making it a valuable addition for any driver seeking enhanced security and evidence recording. Number 3. The Thinkware X1000 Dash Cam. This cutting-edge device promises to elevate your driving experience with its impressive array of features. Let's dive into what makes the Thinkware X1000 a top choice for capturing every moment on the road. The Thinkware X1000 Dash Cam offers impressive features that enhance both safety and convenience for drivers. With its front and rear 2K QHD video quality, powered by Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensors, it provides crisp, clear footage at 1440p resolution. The 156 degrees wide-angle lens reduces blind spots, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Additionally, the dash cam's touchscreen is a significant upgrade, featuring a 3.5-inch LCD display with IPS technology for easy viewing and control from any angle. This model stands out with its dewarping video technology, which minimizes distortion to deliver a realistic front view of the vehicle. It also incorporates high-efficiency video coding, HEVC, compressing high-resolution videos effectively to reduce storage needs while maintaining excellent video quality. The Super Night Vision 3.0 further enhances low-light recording by combining digital overlap HDR and noise reduction technology, offering clearer images during nighttime driving. In terms of parking surveillance, the Thinkware X1000 is highly capable. It features parking surveillance mode, motion detection, and impact detection to monitor your vehicle while parked. The time-lapse parking mode records at a reduced frame rate, extending recording duration. The energy-saving mode 2.0 optimizes power consumption, and the optional Thinkware radar adds advanced parking mode features. The dash cam's high-temperature protection system safeguards against overheating, ensuring reliability and longevity. Overall, the Thinkware X1000 is a robust choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich dash cam. Number 2. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam. This camera packs a punch with its triple recording capabilities, night vision, and a host of advanced features. Let's see what makes it stand out. The Vantrue N4 3-channel dash cam is a versatile and powerful tool for comprehensive road safety. This dash cam records footage from the front, rear, and interior of the vehicle, capturing high-resolution videos at up to 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the others. This ensures that every detail, such as license plates and road signs, is captured clearly. Additionally, the option to switch between different recording modes adds flexibility, allowing users to tailor the settings according to their specific needs. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N4 is its super night vision capability. With a Sony Starvis CMOS sensor and wide aperture lenses, this dash cam excels in low-light conditions, ensuring clear recordings even in the dark. Additionally, its 24-hour parking monitor and motion detection provide round-the-clock security. The camera automatically records any detected movement around the vehicle, and its G-sensor accurately logs any collisions or impacts, offering peace of mind against potential damage or theft. Durability and ease of use are also key strengths of the Vantrue N4. Powered by a supercapacitor, it operates reliably in extreme temperatures, from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring longevity. The inclusion of an external GPS mount adds valuable data logging for speed, location, and driving routes, making it a comprehensive package for any driver. Overall, the Vantrue N4 dash cam combines high-resolution recording, advanced night vision, and robust durability, making it an excellent choice for those seeking all-around vehicle protection. Number 1. The Nextbase 622GW dash cam is a top-tier choice for drivers seeking advanced features and unbeatable video quality. This dash cam combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it an essential companion for every journey. The Nextbase 622GW dash cam is a highly advanced piece of equipment, delivering exceptional 4K recording quality. With a resolution of 3840 by 2160 at 30 frames per second, the footage is as sharp as it gets, making it perfect for capturing crucial details on the road. The 622GW also integrates well with a rear camera module, providing 1080p recording from the rear, which ensures all-around protection. Moreover, the inclusion of digital image stabilization guarantees smooth video, even on bumpy rides, making this dash cam a standout in terms of video quality. Beyond its superior recording capabilities, the 622GW is equipped with numerous features that enhance driving safety and convenience. The intelligent parking mode provides added security by automatically recording any disturbances while your car is parked. Additionally, the enhanced night vision feature ensures that footage captured in low-light conditions remains clear, a critical advantage for nighttime driving. For drivers frequently navigating through foggy or extreme weather conditions, the extreme weather mode is particularly valuable, helping to maintain clear footage in challenging environments. Further emphasizing its innovation, the 622GW includes built-in GPS tracking, voice control via Alexa, and an emergency response system, which could be life-saving in case of an accident. The integration of what 3 words also allows for precise location tracking, crucial for emergency situations. combined with convenient features like Wi-Fi for easy file sharing and a responsive touchscreen. Overall, the Nextbase 622GW Dash Cam offers an unparalleled driving experience, ensuring both peace of mind and high-quality recordings in any situation. So that wraps up our list of the many great dash cams on the market in 2024. I hope you liked this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market, so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later. Goodbye.